Hey everyone, imagine this. You're out with friends, snapping photos left and right, laughing over dinner, and your phone actually keeps up instead of dying or fumbling the moment. That's the quiet revolution happening with 2026 flagships from Samsung, Google, and OnePlus right now. No more missing the perfect shot or struggling with real life. We've all been there, pulling out last year's phone during a fun night, only for the camera to lag, the battery to drain halfway through dinner, or the mic to garble your voice memo. But this year's upgrades are laser-focused on those everyday wins that actually matter. Think about it, you're showing friends your latest pics, saying, "Let's see the photos, show me," and the new sensor on the Pixel 10 or Galaxy S26 captures every laugh, every detail in low light without blur or that annoying shutter delay from older models. Then someone cracks a joke, "Stop, that's hilarious," and you're recording a quick voice note or clip. The enhanced AI mics and real-time noise cancellation on these phones cut through restaurant chatter, delivering crystal-clear audio that sounds studio quality. No more "what did you say" replays later. And when you're debating the menu, trying to pronounce pierogi right or picking sides like a fresh beet salad, the on-device AI translation and smarter voice assist don't just guess. They understand context, suggest pairings, and even help narrow down options conversationally, turning confusion into fun. The real game changer? Battery and multitasking that let you stay in the moment. Older phones forced you to baby the screen or hunt for outlets by evening. Now with smarter efficiency chips and adaptive displays, you go from morning coffee pics to late-night ice cream drops without compromise, sharing stories, posting highlights, and keeping the group chat alive all day long. It's not about specs on paper. It's about phones that finally feel like they get your life seamless from the first "look at mine" to that final "so worth it" memory. If you're tired of tech that promises the world but drops the ball during real hangouts, these 2026 releases are delivering exactly what we've been waiting for. Drop a comment. What's one daily moment your current phone ruins for you? Like if you're upgrading soon, and hit subscribe for more no-hype breakdowns. See you in the next one.